In this video, I'll show you a method that gives you reliable performance, admin control, and fast internet speed step by step. A lot of tutorials skip important steps, move too fast, or stop working after a few days. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the full setup clearly and simply. No confusing explanations. No random downloads. Just a straightforward method you can follow along with. I'll also show you the performance and speed results later in the video so you know exactly what to expect before trying it yourself. So, let's jump in and get everything set up. If you enjoy videos about free cloud tools, VPS setups, RDP tutorials, and useful tech resources, subscribe and stick around. There's a lot more coming. Yo, quick update before we dive in. A lot of you got lost in the previous video because the platform changed a few things recently, so this video is the updated version with the newest method working right now. And listen carefully, the website you're supposed to search for is gcp.2z2.top. This time, I'm starting everything completely from scratch, so even if this is your first time watching, you'll still understand the full concept step by step. Don't rush it. Don't skip ahead. Just pay close attention, follow exactly what I'm doing, and you'll get it without confusion. Now, on this page, we'll be asked to log in or create account. Let me create an account for you to see. And note, you don't need any admin approval when creating account on this platform, as most of you people say. We are finally in our dashboard with instant activation and no approval needed. Just make sure to enter the verification code correctly to verify that you are human. When you scroll down a bit, you will see spin up a VPS written boldly. 2 operating systems have been provided for us, and you can choose any of them. But for this tutorial, I will first select Windows. I will also touch on Ubuntu by the end of this video, I'm not so sure though. Select Windows and click on Request VPS Access. One thing I noticed is that, due to people abusing the platform and to prevent abuse, every account now needs admin approval before creating a VPS at this very stage. So, you will need to briefly describe what you intend to use the VPS for. An administrator will review your request and either approve or reject it. Give a tangible reason to improve your chances of getting access to a cloud VPS or temporary remote machine. Another thing I realized is that if you want faster approval, you should send an email with your username to the email address provided on your dashboard. It is much quicker to get a response that way. That's how it worked for me. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video was tested and working fine when I recorded it. But you already know how the internet is. Platforms and software can change, update, or remove features at any time. So, if something looks different later on, that's probably why. I tried a number of methods, and the one that worked for me was using ChatGPT to write the perfect reason for using the platform's VPS service. Mine got approved in less than 24 hours. From what I know, it is very difficult to get approved directly through the dashboard, so I recommend using the email option. Below My Instances, you will see an instance created for your VPS. What you want to do is click on the key icon to get connected, and your credentials will be fetched in less than a minute. Now, there will be a username and password created specifically for you. But before the username, you will see a sign that says Auto Delete In, with a timer counting down. At the far right bottom, you will find a +15 button. What this does is that, it adds extra 15 minutes to your time. One of the best things this platform added to you. Click on it each time to add more time to your server, otherwise it will disconnect. The only issue now is that this VPS platform has become very difficult to get approved because a lot of people are sending requests each and every day. But with patience and the small tactics I've shown you here, you too can get this powerful virtual machine for free. Each account gives you 1 hour and 15 minutes of free GPU time per day forever. That's not a trial. It renews daily for long-term access. Also, the VM includes a built-in antivirus that automatically removes unauthorized executable files, and you cannot disable it because it is password protected by the system administrator. The antivirus restrictions exist to prevent malware injection and ensure the environment remains secure for all users. So, while it may feel restrictive, it actually helps protect your data. That said, avoid storing sensitive personal information on the RDP or VPS. It is best treated as a temporary gaming or testing environment. Just so you know, this is a recap and update based on feedback from the previous video. Since a lot of you were complaining and getting confused, I needed to give you guys an update. So yeah, that's basically the full setup from start to finish. If you followed everything carefully, you should now understand how the platform works and how to improve your chances of getting approved. And honestly, this is just the beginning. I've been testing a few other cloud platforms and hidden tools recently, and some of them are actually even faster and more interesting than this one. I'll probably cover those in the next videos. So if you don't want to miss those updates, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.